So guys, we're fishing, micro fishing for the catfish in this whole creek, and we got a piece of liver right here, a baby piece, and we got the catfish. Holy neat! Mighty fly! Like he's in the Fast and the Furious. We ain't got nothing but a Hyundai. And if we don't get any bite, we'll set the line and we'll do a part 2. Y'all like this video if y'all would like a catch, clean, cook on microfish. Oh, we'll get a tank. Oh my lord! Oh jeez, I thought we had one. But the new foggies on the Jeep. Man, you done hit the pipe. Guys, we got one. Don't worry, a big one. Nice one. A nice green sunfish. I thought chicken livers called catfish. Well, apparently he wanted to eat it. I'll catch anything. Guys, it's the green sunfish. Not that beautiful, but it's decent. We're going to set a line and like for part 2.